Hi everyone. Past few days has been quite happening. तो मैंने सोचा एक 1-to-1 मैं अपनी यूट्यूब फैमिली के साथ कर ही लेती हूँ. उनको ये तो पता चल जाए कि IIM के बाद एक साल कॉर्पोरेट में गुजारने के बाद हाउ अ पर्सन हु इज आउट ऑफ IIM past year in 2025 is now feeling. So here comes the one of the most beautiful thing that happened yesterday. My designation got updated from management trainee to senior associate. Second thing is, as a product manager, which I assume that the whole 1 year journey was more about learning and a little bit about ownership, now going to get more about ownership and then decisions, particular product development, stunts, and every other thing. Which, if you're joining for the first time, a whole year is the experience of learning. That's why they say कि पहले साल तो आपको बस learn करने के पैसे देते हैं हम. However, I assume that there were certain good decisions which I made for my product and they were efficient, effective, and because of that we got our matrices, activation, revenue, and other stuffs. I'll come to that piece later, but right now I want to express my gratitude to you to stay stuck to the channel. And since you are going to get into IIMs and any other MBA college very soon in the next month, be ready to witness the whole beautiful 2 years ka journey, so that whenever you are coming back to a corporate world or starting your entrepreneurship or into any other career aspiration you have post MBA, you are ready. First things first, in 1 year, did you believe that any of the learning in MBA college which you get there or during engineering come into picture? I would not say no, rather I would say definitely yes. सब कहते हैं ये कि यार MBA में जो सिखाते हैं वो एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम में काम में नहीं आता. However, there was no certain course dedicated to product management in MBA, but whenever I have to do market research for the features I am going to develop, I learned sales and distribution management, e-commerce, how the quick commerce is developing. So whenever I have to work with the tech and understand the technical aspects, I remember ITK concept which I have learned in MBA. So certain concepts out of them definitely comes into picture. Okay, whenever I have to build a mathematical kind of feature, suppose a payout calculator or credit score predictor, and I have to put certain logics behind the backend, that is when certain concepts of mathematics also get involved. So it might not be a direct application, but definitely an application which will be in pieces and help you build the throughout journey of a feature development or a product development in your field. Now second thing, the whole soul managerial journey. So whenever you are in MBA, you learn how to work with peers, people, do group projects, and build network. That is how you work in a collaborative environment when you have to deal with people, stakeholders, and also sometimes when they are difficult to handle. That is how the picture of that person जिसके साथ project करना सबसे मुश्किल था comes into your brain and you remind yourself कि यार इसके साथ कर लिया था तो ये तो फिर भी हमारी कंपनी के एम्प्लॉय हैं, समझ जाएंगे. So yes, cross collaboration, operations between them, making them understand is a clear picture which you are going to get from your MBA journey to your corporate, and this will keep going. There are certain people जिनका सब people management के लिए इतना अच्छा होता है कि उनको उसी चीज के लिए हायर किया जाता है, एंड दिस कांट बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय AI एज वेल. दिस वाज लिटिल अबाउट द कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियंस. If I'll tell you what my day actually looks like in the NBFC, I would rather say that it starts with checking the email and then doing UATs, developing features, checking the operations of application that I am on, and then developing new features. So a day activity, and certain times we have to cross collaborate with different stakeholders. Suppose we are building a certain kind of feature for TWL loan, then I have to go meet them, check their requirements, and develop a PRD, and I have to hold between design, IT, business, all the requirements, and that is how product manager skills come. But lately I have been informed by one of my senior that I need to work upon my coding, technical, and strategical skills even more. So yes, corporate journey definitely gives you promotions and sometimes positive, negative feedbacks which you have to take, build, develop, and grow. And that is how a whole journey keeps continuing. But if you will say that, do I want to stay here for the lifetime? I am little dicey right now because right now I might be enjoying my job, but I'm not very certain that after 10 years I would like to do this or not, and 10 years is a long plan for me. So for first 5 years I can definitely say that I would like to work on the development part of the product as a whole. I mean, if I'll get chance to collaborate in different industries, suppose e-commerce, and have to develop a product for them, I will be more than happy, because a new learning, a new perception, a new whole Shubhangi they can get, and a whole new Shubhangi I will get. What is the financial leverage I have used since 1 year? This is the most important factor one needs to consider. So I would say that, okay, I I diligently put some of my finances to two areas. First was my education loan, which was UG plus PG. मतलब undergrad में भी I took certain amount of loan to do the degree. I didn't want my parents to take the responsibility at that point of time. Second is the PG loan, which is on the major side. So I'm happy to announce that 1/5 of the loan is now over. And apart from that, a foreign trip which costed me like 1.5 L, because there was certain war situation and we have to pay extra to come back to our nation. Things apart from that, I have certain amount of investments and those to suppose 2 lakh or so. And alongside, I'm living in a good house. I have a full-time maid. I pay for all kind of bills there, and trust me, I'm living the most luxurious life right now. No compromise on anything I want to buy. It was not little Shubhangi which used to think कि, oh, 5 रुपए की ये चीज़ है, I have to collect 1-2 rupees every day to get this 5 rupees का thing. I'm grateful to Almighty because उन्होंने मुझे इतने skills, development और blessings दी कि right now I'm able to finance all my desires, dreams, wishes all by myself. And 1 year down the lane, I also thought that this is the good time to start a journey. So yeah, I got engaged. I'll soon do a session if you are interested in knowing who my fiance is. He is a long time friend of mine. I wish we'll do good in future. I think I just made this video very candid because I just wanted to say it and do a one-to-one heart communication with you. That is all. I hope you stick together. You are doing well in your life, and if you are going to join a MBA college, you are doing well there as well. Spend your time in studies. Spend your time in case competitions. Party, but not that much that you are forgetting your consciousness and the purpose of life. And try to get into a good job, because that is all you need right now in the market to hold your family together, to hold yourself together, to hold all your liabilities together. All the best.